Hey guys, so starting this video off very odd. I know. You're gonna see me looking like this, and then you're gonna see where I had pre-filmed this video. But there's big news in this video that you definitely want to stay tuned for. I'm gonna be popping back in the middle of the video to announce something big. You don't want to miss out. So let's go ahead and roll the intro. And welcome. Today's video we are going to be unboxing a subscription service that we haven't actually unboxed over here in a bit, but they sent it over and we're going to be checking it out today. It is the Bolzano unboxing. You guys know I used to unbox them probably, I think it was like last year. Really like this subscription. If you guys are new here, hey, welcome. My name's Ron, and over here we embrace the hot mess because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Yes, I feel the need to repeat it in almost every video because the community has been crazy, but that is not my part of the community, because for me, I don't keep drama around here. I keep kindness. So hopefully you decide to stick around and subscribe. You guys, I'm all over the place, but judgment-free zone. Hashtag homebody life. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so like I said, Bolzano is a monthly subscription service, and it is purses. Yes, purses. You can sign up for $33 and change. I think I still have a coupon code. I will have it linked in the description below for you guys. This is a profile-based subscription service. And it's going to come in like a little dust sleeve with a little card on here. And like I said, it is profile based. So they ask you a lot of questions, what you're looking for, what kind of purse you like to carry. You can upgrade, I think it's like $43 and change. And you can have like other things put in here as well versus just a purse. So I will say, like I said, last year I was unboxing this quite a bit and they nailed it. Like the profile that I had filled out, they nailed it to a T as far as colors went and everything. My mom, I had actually gifted my mom one of the purses as well. Actually, maybe two of the purses. She loves them. And I agree. They hold up really well. My favorite color, pink. I do not have this color purse. Perfect silver accents. I love this. How pretty. It's like a dusty mauve or mauve pink. Oh my gosh. And there's stuff in here. So I want to say that this particular one that I'm unboxing is like the deluxe. Oh, okay. So we've got the little tattoos in here. This is what I'm really excited about. Oh, look at that. We've got a makeup bag which is filled with goodies. Oh my goodness. I need new sunglasses. The pair that I use now, I want to say was from a Bolzano bag, I think. These are really cute. It's so Jackie O. I love that. Let's put them on. I love it. Oh yes. Hey. Perfect. We can finally go out and go to the pool now. These are going to be perfect for the pool. I love this. Like I said, it's so Jackie O in my opinion. Okay, so then, ooh, we got these cute little accents. It looks like it's a bracelet. Very nice. Ooh, and I've been polishing my own nails again, guys. If you guys are curious, I have the Orly O Snap nail polish on. I'll link it below. This is by Revlon, the Color Stay Gel Envy nail polishes. So we got two of those. So really pretty. I like this pink shade a lot. That's pretty. And then of course we've got the zippered bag. Really nice, durable, sturdy, good zipper on here. Very well made. Canvas kind of feel. And let's check out this purse. So you do get two types. Oh, I like this. You get straps on here. So you get the shoulder length type of long strap, or I kind of feel like this is how I'll use it. Let me just put it together for you guys. So nice. This is vegan leather, by the way, as well. So I'm just going to hook the straps. This is like the handle strap. So you have options on how you want to carry this purse. So I like it like that. I think it's cute, and if you wanted, you could still put it up on your shoulder. But how cute is that? You've got some side pockets. You have some zip up pockets. And those are real. Those are actually like little real pockets. Very nice. And on the inside, we've got a bag. Ooh, I like the inside. It's lined, and then you've got little pockets here. And then in the center, you've got a zippered type of little compartment as well. And then on this side, you also have a little zipper compartment. And then back here. So, I mean, this is like perfect, especially if you're a mom. It like never fails. I have teenagers and I have a husband, and I still end up carrying all of their stuff. This is a perfect size bag for sure. I really like this. Let's see. This is very cute. I don't have a card with the information on it in here, but I have to say these bags do hold up very, very well. They're very sturdy. On the bottom, you're going to see they've got the little tabs, so when you do set it down, this is going to hit. And I love the accent pieces. Like I said, in the profile that you will fill out, that's the kind of information you can put on there. If you're not open to have accents that are silver, you can just put that you'd rather have gold, or you're okay being open with doing either, you know, gold or silver, what have you. And again, the style of your purse, if you'd rather have like small clutch size purses or even larger size purses, that's all the information that you can put in that profile. I don't know, guys, I think that this is a heck of a deal. Like I said, even if you were only purchasing the purse for $33 and change, or if you're gonna go ahead and get all the deluxe things for $43, I just don't think that that's a bad deal. I mean, like I said, these are good, durable purses. They're vegan leather, and they definitely personalize the purses to you. Like I said, I love this color. I don't have this color purse whatsoever, and it is beautiful, and I absolutely love it. I think it's perfect for the summertime, and I think it's going to go into the fall. It's going to be great for the springtime. Very nice. So you choose your subscription, you order, you get styled, you receive the amazing products in here. I'm reading it from the website. They really do have good quality purses, guys, and you can actually ask. They have a bot on there that you can actually chat with if you have any questions on their website. Like I said, I'm going to link everything in my description box down below, and I'll try and pin it in the comment section as well for you guys if you guys are interested. The Luxe, which is what I unboxed, is $43.95. And then the handbag and accessories, which would be like the purse and the glasses, is actually $33.95. So you would get this purse with these glasses for $33.95. I really like that. So there are gift sets, which is a one-time purchase. There's all different kinds of options on here. Like I said, different styles, different colors, profile based. And the nice thing about Bolzano that I always like to tell you guys, if for some reason you receive it, you weren't overly excited about it, you didn't feel like it went off your profile, you can actually return it. Now, if you do feel like it did go off your profile, but the shade isn't for you, the color isn't for you, you can return it. You will have to pay shipping, but you're not stuck with it. So that is something that I really like about Bolzano, and feel like that's not something that we see very often, especially when it comes to subscription services. So let me know down below. I'm so excited to have Bolzano back on our channel, unboxing them for you guys. Like I said, great quality purses, and I am so excited over this color. Like, I am so excited over this color. I got a backpack back in December, and I use that thing all the time. Especially now, I don't want to like have too much around me. Like, normally I have a really large purse, but now I just have that little backpack. It's great when we used to go to Kings Island. It's great going out and shopping and not having to worry about dealing with it. And those are options that you can put in your profile that you like. So okay guys, big announcement time. There is a giveaway, which I'm sure you read from the title of this video. That's right. Before I end today's video, there is a giveaway for Bolzano, so you can get your own Bolzano bag. bag, trust me, you want to enter into this giveaway. You guys know I keep the giveaways super easy. All you have to do is make sure you are subscribed. If you want to go ahead and follow me over on Instagram, that would be fabulous. I'll pop it up here, my Instagram handle and page. You guys know I'm trying to grow my Instagram following over there, trying to hit 10K to get that little swipey. This is a giveaway. All you're gonna have to do is subscribe. Then check in my comment section down below. I'm going to pin a link. You need to go into the Bolzano giveaway link. You need to go ahead, fill that thing out, super easy. And then in 1 month, I'm gonna come back and pick a winner at random. But you have to make sure you are subscribed and stay subscribed. So let's go ahead and roll on out to the outro. If you guys made it this far, then you get to enter into the giveaway. And you know how to enter into the giveaway. So kudos to you, and thank you guys for sticking around, and good luck. Anyways guys, I'm rambling. If you guys are curious about the makeup I do have on today, I'm actually testing out for you guys the L'Oreal Age Perfect. This is their foundation, concealer, powder, all of that. I believe it is a newer line out by L'Oreal, so I'm testing that out for you guys. You guys know I am when it comes to foundations and concealers. I can't do first impressions with it. It just is a struggle. I like to get to know the product, so I'm testing that out. My beautiful subscriber here, Alicia, did gift me the Chic Cheek by Scott Barnes, the cheek palette. I have this on. The highlighter that you see is this, and oh my gosh, I'm cherishing it. I can't stop talking about it. This is the second video where I'm like, I love it. It's amazing. As far as my eye look today, I have the Ofra Pro palette. Ofra had a huge sale. It still may be going on, I want to say, but it's nice because you can take this little sleeve off and put it back. But this is the eyeshadow that I have on my face today, and this is a great palette, and I think that that's pretty much everything. But anyways guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you think that you have a friend that may be interested in seeing this particular subscription, please feel free to share our video over on Facebook and let the world know that this channel is here. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I think that's it. Anyways friends, follow me over on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram, and until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!